What's the meaning of acquire? Acquire. 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 The word acquire means to gain or obtain something. It refers to the act of obtaining something through one's own efforts or actions. The result of acquiring something can vary depending on the context in which the word is used. For example, acquiring knowledge can result in a better understanding of a subject or topic, while acquiring wealth can result in financial security. Similarly, acquiring skills can result in improved performance and a better job. Overall, acquiring something implies a deliberate and conscious effort to obtain something that one deems valuable or necessary.